This video is how to track LLC expenses to maximize tax deductions. According to the IRS, small businesses collectively overpay billions in taxes annually, not because they owe it, but because they fail to track and claim legitimate deductions. That usually comes down to poor record keeping, mixing personal and business expenses, or scrambling at the end of the year instead of tracking consistently. If you're running an LLC and you don't have a clean system in place, you're likely leaving money on the table. I'm Erin from Startup Wise. Let's get into it. Why tracking your LLC expenses actually matters. Here's the reality: your LLC is taxed on profit, not revenue. So the more legitimate expenses you track, the lower your taxable income becomes. That's not a loophole, that's just how business works. But if you're not tracking consistently, you're relying on memory at the end of the year, and memory is terrible when it comes to money. Think about all of the small things you pay for throughout the year: software subscriptions, domain renewals, email platforms, design tools, ads, business meals, travel, even part of your home office. None of those feel huge in the moment, but they add up fast, and when they're not documented properly, they disappear. What usually happens is someone waits until March, opens their bank app, scrolls through transactions, and tries to guess what was business related. That's stressful, and it almost always leads to missed deductions. When you track in real time, everything is categorized and clean. You're not scrambling, you're reviewing, and honestly, beyond taxes, tracking your expenses forces you to see your numbers clearly. You start noticing where your money is going. It shifts you from reacting to actually managing your business. That's the difference between running an LLC casually and running it like it matters. Let me make this concrete for a second. If you're spending even $800 to $1,000 a month on normal business expenses, software, ads, contractors, travel, that's roughly $10,000 to $12,000 a year. In a 22 to 24% tax bracket, that's around $2 to $3 grand in taxes you're not paying because those expenses reduce your taxable income. That is real money, and that's why having a clean tracking system actually matters. Why separating your finances is non-negotiable. If you're serious about tracking expenses properly, the first step isn't software, it's separation. You need a dedicated business bank account. If you're swiping the same card for groceries, coffee, business software, and ad spend, you're making everything harder than it needs to be. Not just at tax time, but all year. When your business income goes into one account and your business expenses come out of the same account, tracking becomes clean automatically. You're not guessing which transaction was personal, and you're not digging through statements trying to justify something later. Everything in that account is business. That's why I always recommend opening a business checking account early. Something like Relay makes this really simple because it's built for small business owners. You can separate income, expenses, even set up different buckets for taxes so you're not accidentally spending money that should be set aside. And once that separation is in place, everything becomes easier. Your bookkeeping connects smoothly, your reports make sense, your accountant isn't confused, and you're not stressed. It sounds basic, but this is where most people go wrong. They start the LLC, but they don't fully separate their money. And that one mistake creates chaos later. Clean separation is what makes expense tracking actually work. If you want to set that up properly from the beginning, I'll leave Relay linked below. Once your business money is separated, the next step is automation. Because here's the truth: if you're manually typing every transaction into a spreadsheet, you're not going to keep up with it long term. It might work for a week, maybe a month, but eventually you'll fall behind. What makes expense tracking sustainable is connecting your business bank account directly to bookkeeping software so transactions flow in automatically. That's where something like Quickbooks comes in. If you don't have Quickbooks set up yet, you can use the link below to get started and follow along inside your own account as we go through this. So this is the Quickbooks homepage, and what I want you to focus on here is that Quickbooks isn't just basic bookkeeping anymore. It connects your banking, expenses, payroll, and reporting all in one place. The goal is to connect your business account and let the system pull in transactions automatically. Once your Relay account is connected, your transactions flow in here in real time, and that's where the automation starts. Now, this is the part I really like. QuickBooks uses automation to categorize transactions and surface potential deductions. So instead of waiting until tax season and hoping you remember everything, the software is constantly organizing your data in the background. You'll see transactions come in and you assign categories like software, marketing, travel, contractors, whatever applies to your business. And once that's categorized, it stays organized all year. here. You're not rebuilding history later, you're reviewing what's already structured. That alone removes so much stress. So this is what I mean by financial clarity. From this dashboard, you can see your transactions, run reports, track expenses, monitor cash flow, all in one place. Instead of wondering what your profit looks like, you pull up a profit and loss statement instantly. This is how you start making decisions based on data instead of vibes. And when tax season comes around, you're not scrambling, you're exporting clean, categorized reports and handing them to your accountant. That's the difference between organized and chaotic. If you want to automate your expense tracking instead of manually guessing at the end of the year, I'll leave Quickbooks linked below. It connects directly to your business bank account, categorizes transactions, and keeps everything organized in one place. If you're running an LLC and you're not using bookkeeping software, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your business. Why setting up your LLC properly from day one matters. Now, one more thing that people overlook, and this is important. All of this only works smoothly if your LLC is actually set up correctly from the beginning. If your formation paperwork is messy, if you're not properly registered in your state, or if you skipped steps because you were trying to save time, it creates confusion later, especially when you open a business bank account or start working with an accountant. This is why I always recommend forming your LLC properly from day one. Something like Zen Business makes that entire formation process simple and straightforward. If you don't already have Zen Business set up, you can use our link below to get started so you can follow along with this walkthrough step by step. So right here, you can see how simple the process is laid out. Zen Business walks you through choosing your LLC package, filing it with the state, and then giving you tools to actually run your business. Now, here's why this matters for expense tracking. The make it official with the state step is what legally separates you from your business. Without that separation, your business income and expenses aren't clearly defined as business activity. And if your business isn't clearly established as its own entity, tracking deductions becomes messy. When you open a business bank account, the bank verifies your formation documents. That bank account is what allows you to run all of your business expenses through one place. And that clean separation is what makes your deductions defensible if you're ever audited. So this step isn't just about starting an LLC, it's about creating the legal structure that allows you to track expenses properly in the first place. Now here on the screen, you can see the different structure options. For most small business owners, the LLC is the simplest way to protect yourself while keeping taxes straightforward. You get limited liability protection, which means your personal assets are generally shielded, but only if you treat the business as separate. That means separate accounts, separate records, and clean bookkeeping. If you mix personal and business money, that protection weakens, and from a tax perspective, it also makes your deductions harder to justify. You also get pass-through taxation, which means your business profit flows through to your personal return. Since your LLC is taxed on profit, your tracked expenses directly reduce your taxable income. So if your formation is clean, your bank account is separate, and your bookkeeping is automated, your deductions are clearly documented, and your profit is accurately calculated, that's how you actually maximize tax deductions, not by guessing, but by building the structure that makes tracking clean and defensible. If you haven't officially formed your LLC yet, I'll leave Zen Business linked below so you can set up the right foundation before you start scaling. Once your LLC is formed correctly, your finances are separated, and your bookkeeping is automated, the next question becomes, what exactly should you be tracking? The answer is simpler than most people think. If it's ordinary and necessary for running your business, it should run through your business account and be categorized inside your bookkeeping software. That includes software subscriptions, marketing and ad spend, contractor payments, website hosting, domain renewals, equipment, business travel, meals related to work, and education that directly supports your business. Individually, many of these expenses feel small, but over the course of a year, they compound. If they're not captured consistently, they are very easy to forget, and forgotten expenses are missed deductions. The goal isn't to memorize every tax rule. The goal is to build a system where business expenses automatically land in one place and get organized as they happen. When that's in place, you're not hunting for deductions later, you're reviewing a clean record of what already occurred. That shift alone changes how tax season feels. The simple habit that keeps your system working. The reason most expense tracking systems fail isn't complexity, it's inconsistency. Automation handles most of the work, but you still need a short monthly review. Log in, look at your transactions, confirm categories are accurate, and fix anything that looks off. off. If your accounts are properly connected, this usually takes minutes, not hours. Over time, this habit gives you clarity. You start to understand what your business actually costs to run. Tracking LLC expenses isn't complicated, but it does require intention. If you want to stop overpaying in taxes, it really comes down to this. Form your LLC correctly, keep your finances separate, automate your bookkeeping, and review your numbers consistently. When that system is in place, you're not guessing, you know your profit, you know your expenses, and tax season becomes a reporting process, not a panic. This is the difference between treating your LLC like a side project and running it like a real business. If you're ready to build that system the right way, I've linked Zen Business, Relay, and QuickBooks below so you can set it up step by step. I'm Erin from Startup Wise. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.